Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a light motion XML edits. First, understand that XML files are essentially blueprints for your projects, allowing you to share and import complex animations with ease. They contain all the intricate details, from effects and keyframes to text and media, making them incredibly powerful for collaboration and customization. Learning to work with these files opens up a world of creative possibilities for your video editing. Exporting your Alight Motion project as an XML file is straightforward. Begin by opening the Alight Motion app and navigating to your Projects tab. Long press on the thumbnail of the project you wish to export. A menu will appear at the bottom left of your screen. Tap the Export button. From the available formats, choose XML, then tap Export again to begin the process. To import an XML file, first ensure it's downloaded to your device. Open Alight Motion, then navigate to the Templates tab or use the Import option. You can often share the file directly from your device's file manager to Alight Motion. Once imported, the project will appear, allowing you to customize layers, effects, and timing to match your vision. Remember to save your personalized version. For advanced editing, efficiently organize your layers and groups to maintain clarity in complex projects. Don't hesitate to experiment with various effect combinations and blending modes to achieve truly unique visual results. Utilizing keyframe animations and custom timing curves can also elevate your edits significantly. And speaking of staying refreshed, remember to check out the Oala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.